Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is my weekly plan with me. I am going to be using my Cozy Plaid kit. This is the mini version. I'm really enjoying using the mini versions in my B6 planner inserts from SewMuchCrafting. They just fit really well. And I'm really excited to use this kit because it's the first time I've used the new reformatted stuff. I have new like weekly trackers. Like I was thinking you could do steps or calories or spending. There are these cute coffee cups. I traded out the coffee cup, the old one, which I liked. I hand drew it, but these ones are just so much cuter, and they have the little butterfly. There's also the butterfly laptops now, and yeah, so there's just, and oh, these, I've added these asterisks. All those things are also in the full versions of the kits in my shop. I also pulled the date covers, and now I'm kind of thinking I'm not going to use them for this week, so I'm going to put those to the side. I have my friend's birthdays this week, and I'm working twice, and I have a payday, so let's get into this. Okay, so I am going to, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I have some stuff like already planned out. I already pulled some stickers for some things, but it's just like getting like the foundational stuff done. Then I'm kind of like, I don't know what to do. Last week I tried something different, and I thought it was cute, but I'm not 100% sold on it. I think I want to try putting washi all the way on the bottom. So let's do that this week. And I'm going to just go in and put it right at the bottom. And I just did the arm trick. All it does is make the sticker a little bit dirty so it doesn't stick as well or as quickly to the paper, so that you can pull it up without damaging the paper, which is always a good thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this one, I'll just stick it on my arm for right now. Grab the other piece for the other side. Stick it in. And then it's gotta go this way, yeah. And I guess again, stick it right in the corner. The seam that's not right at it's really hard to see because it's the edge, and I've got the bright lights, and it's just hard to tell if I'm on it or not. So you'll notice that week is not filled out. That's because I just filmed that plan with me, trying to get ahead, which is what I said in that video, so which you've already seen probably. I feel like this should go somewhere. What if I put it up here to kind of be like, hey, that would be kind of cute, right? Go like at the top here. It's not at the very top. Hold on. I'm sorry. I'm concentrating so much, and it's hard for me to be like super chatty when I'm concentrating like that. So yeah. Plus I just don't place stickers down very well if I'm talking. I don't know if anyone's ever noticed that. Okay, I don't know what to do with this other strip, so I'm going to save it because I can probably use it throughout the week. I really like this. That actually turned out really cute. Let's place some full boxes down. I'm looking at my schedule. Monday there is no work because it is the end of the term. So I think I'm going to grab this sticker, which is the like lounging scene. Come on. There we go. And put it on there because It is a day to relax because I don't have to be at work, which means I will probably be working here. So that's how that usually goes. Tuesday I am working, but it's a partial day. We'll figure this stuff out in a minute. So I'm going to grab, for my 2 days of work that I have, I'm grabbing these Rose Squad rose. It's her in glasses. They're from Planting Roses. I'm going to take the little one. I also work on Friday. So Tuesday I work a partial day. And then Friday I work all day. So I'm just going to put that one here. I'm going to put a full box down for Friday because I usually, especially if I've worked, am really tired on Fridays and then just tend to not do anything. Like, I'll make a long list of stuff I want to get done when I get home and then I end up not doing any of it. So, yeah. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm sorry. That's probably much easier for you to see what I'm doing. So those are done with that. Let's go back to Monday. Like I said, I have no work. It is also payday for my regular job, and I meant to grab another payday. So I'm going to go grab one in just a second for Tuesday because this is payday for my regular job. And then I have payday for, I'll just use one of these. Which color would go the best? Oh wait, I bet there's a dollar sign. Yeah, I have a dollar sign right there. Duh, Melissa. So I will put to that here for Etsy payday. And because of that, I'm going to take these bill stickers from Sweet Quiet Designs and I'm going to put that on Tuesday also, is to pay my bills because I'll have money in my account. Okay, what else? That's all I have. So let's put in the rest of the full boxes. I want to put this one somewhere over here. I think I'm going to put it here towards the bottom. I'm going to just go up a little bit. And put it right on this line and go up like that. And then I'm going to grab a supper header for over here, like I've been doing, not changing that up any. I do want to use this, and I think I'm going to put a blank. I haven't decided what it is I'm going to track. It might be spending. I haven't decided yet. And then it might be something totally different. I'm going to leave the white space. I'm just going to line it up with that top line. And then put this one down. And I can fill it in. I might do steps, but my step tracker is not very good. So then I'm going to grab the goals, skip a line, line it up with this one, like that, scoot you guys up. I just realized last week I put a goals over that when I meant to put a checklist. You guys were probably screaming at me, going, Melissa, you meant to put down a flag. Oops. I wonder if I can get that pulled up. Oh well, I'll figure it out. That's actually really cute with all the white space in there. I really like that. Okay, then we have this sticker that needs to go somewhere. I've been putting them on Wednesday. I think I have one like on every Wednesday for the last few weeks. Oh, that one's don't. Because my weekends tend to be full, so, but I feel like it needs weight down here. But Wednesday, and this is one that can be covered up. Like that would look, see here would look really cute. That would off balance. that feels, I don't know, guys. What should I do? Should I do this? I'm going to put it in the middle. Just to be super weird and different, and it's probably going to piss me off but later, but oh well. And then just to be even weirder and different, I'm going to grab this piece of washi and kind of cover up these lines at the bottom. Can't cover them up completely, but it's close enough. Kind of do like that. And it kind of frames that a little more. And brings a little weight down, I think. You'll see when it's all whatever. So Sunday is my friend Marlana's birthday. She's a cute little blonde, so I'm going to take this sticker here for her birthday. And then I also have church, so I'm going to grab this Bible. This is from my shop. Butterfly planner. And put that there. And there we go. And look at all this stuff I still have. It gets crazy how much I can get done in white space. I mean, how little, you know, I can use. So there is my full weekly spread. I think it turned out really, really cute. Let me know if you like it down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!